God dang it. Get up here and throw these down. Woo! Damn, that fires up quick. We got a fan out on top. Kicking out on the high head pressure. I bet you there's a fan up here. It's not working. It's working now though, but not for long. So compressor number 4 tripped out on a high head. So I don't know what's going on with it. These are ECM motors. There you go. See that motor right there? It's not running. So it's kicking out on a high head. There you go, AAON. Yeah, you go, AAON. You go, you fuckers. I'm on to you now. I'm on to you now. I already know. I know what's wrong with these. So it's not going to run that long. It's gonna kick out on a high head because that thing can't keep up with it. So this is not good. This one's running. This one's not. Probably the high head thing again. Nope. Shit. Can't see the unloader code. Always blinking a 3 code. That one's running. That one's running. That one's running. This one's not. Gosh darn it. Here's my little trouble codes. 1, 2, 1. Whoa. What the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Looks like a 4-2. 4-2. Module alarm. Really? Module alarm. That tells me everything I need to know. No, that's trying to fire up, but damn it. Here we go again, guys. Always need babysitting. Son of a bitch. Alright, pisses me off, man. Well, this one's working, that one's working. I know this thing can cool with 3 compressors running, but this one kicked out on the high pressure switch because, as y'all saw up there, the fan's not running. These are ECM fans. Stupid ECM modules on the bottom of them. Well, there's a damn problem. There goes $2,000 right there. $2,000 for that damn fan motor. Freaking ridiculous. You know, they want to replace this one just because it's old and, you know, man, the fucking thing works though. Man. gonna do this coil. It's in this side right here. 100% outside air right now. It's like 90 degrees. I don't get how this is efficient. You're sucking in hot ass air, and I don't understand. Yeah, it removes CO2, carbon dioxide from the building, puts in fresh air. Okay. Alright, we'll go with that. We'll go with that. Nice selling point. Yeah, so what we got going is only half a coil. We only got half a coil here working, so. Well, we got some filters ordered for these. We took these out about last week because they were causing a little bit of a restriction. These are looking like they're gonna need to be replaced also, so we'll replace these. There's 48 filters in this unit. I've said that before. There's a filter tray here, and then there's the filter tray for the 4 inches, and the coil's like right behind it, which isn't even cold right now, but whatever. It blew us, so we got a back condenser fan motor on this shit. Way the hell up there. Yeah, I climbed up on the filter shelves to get up there. Yes, I did. I did do that. You saw me do it. I did it. Alright, anyway. I'm sticking around, guys, just because I want to make sure this one's still going. I don't know. Let's see if this one fired up. Nope. If it's gonna fire up, it would have fired up. So. No high head cut off or anything, and this one's running. It just keeps doing that, so I'm not sure what that's all about right now. It's blinking protector trip. 1, 2, 3. She already knows protector, compressor protector trip. So, yep. Alright, well, whatever the hell that means. And then I got the code up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. Module alarm. Whatever the hell module alarm means. Another trouble code video. Guys, these things need babysitting every day. I might as well pitch a tent around here and just, you know, go sit beside that one, you know. Gosh almighty, man. The time and the work that they put into these things, and they're pieces of shit. I mean, why didn't they just throw, you know, a carrier on I don't know. I do not know. I mean, this thing's not even 4 years old yet. And we've replaced 1, 2, 3 fan motors on the condenser, and now here goes our 4th one at $2 grand a pop. This thing's not saving us any money, not at all, dude. You're paying for it. What this thing efficiently energy saves, you're paying for it, because you're gonna have to buy so many damn parts for these damn things that are gonna cost $1,800 to $2,000 just to have a condenser fan motor replaced on it, because it's got the ECM. Yep, whatever. Gosh almighty. The reason I came up here, they said it's hot in the kitchen, it's hot in the dining room. Well, I told them, well, did you turn on the thermostat? Yeah. Which one? Oh, there's 2? Uh-huh. Okay, there we go. Let's make sure it's working. Walk all the way up here anyway. Check for the, check, babysit the damn AAON unit. I don't have a problem like that with these carriers. Carrier. I don't have a problem with any of these units. This one's brand new, so I better not have a problem with it. This one, I've replaced the fan motor in it. That's it. That fan motor right there. This one had burned up wires, but I fixed it. Oh yeah. She's blowing heat, baby. She is sucking that heat out as fast as she can go. Yeah, and she's leaking. Good. Cool. Alright, so they just didn't turn the dang thing on. This is the biggest air conditioning. The other thermostat controls that little box. About the size of this thing. Like a 2.5 ton or something. I don't know what the hell this is. What is it? I forget how to read ton. It like 30. I don't know. Comment down 60. So this is like, I forget how to convert that crap. I don't deal with these every day, guys, so I got it on my notepad. What we got? We got a 5 ton. Right? Am I right? Put in the comment section below. Am I right? Is this a 5 ton? And the serial number, it's got a 60. I don't know how you, or maybe it's a 2. I need to actually watch another video on that, but I got it wrote down like what the numbers mean. So right here, tons for air conditioning, a 0.8, 1.5. I need to just memorize this, but it's not important to me. I don't work on them or have to worry about the tonnage to work on them anyway as much. Go ahead. All right, Jeff Tomatoes, man, I gotta get off this roof. I guess this thing's gonna keep up with their demands, and if it doesn't, I'll get called back, and there's pretty much nothing I can do because I don't have an ECM module, and I'm not getting all the way up on the roof to replace the $2,000 motor that is going to have to go in there. Yay! Go AAON. Jeff Tomatoes, man, y'all stay safe and y'all have a great day.